All right, we currently have snow showers moving through Minneapolis. I know this because my mother-in-law lives there and she just sent us a picture. So confirmed it is snowing in Minneapolis. And this snow is making its way down towards Chicago and will be moving up the northeast over the next couple days. This atmospheric river and strong winds is continuing to move into the Pacific Northwest. And over the next few days, this rain band will move down into Southern California. And if you are in the south and southeast, here come your coldest temperatures of the season. Like always, let's talk about the weather. You can see we've already began to get a dusting of snow across areas of Wisconsin and Minnesota. And this snow over the next 24 to 48 hours will be making its way farther south and to the east. Now this is important. What is one thing we've seen trending through all of these short range models? They do want to bring some snow wrapping in right here around Lake Michigan. This does potentially include cities like Green Bay, Milwaukee, Chicago, and Grand Rapids, Michigan. Another thing these short-range models are starting to agree on too is possibly snow through Indianapolis, up in northeast Kentucky, through West Virginia, and maybe a little bit of snow through Appalachia. And the last thing I've noticed that seems to be very consistent through these latest model runs is a large amount of snow potentially falling in northeastern Pennsylvania. Now, why is this? As this storm begins to move in and tilt, you'll see another low pressure wants to form just off the coast of New Jersey and New York. Typically, we would see these lows move up into the northeast or out to sea. This low this time though wants to wrap its way around and potentially could produce a lot of its own cold air, amplifying snowfall in this region. And not only that, but it could stick around for a while. What this means is although snow could be falling in southern upstate New York, northern New Jersey, or eastern Pennsylvania, in the beginning it will not be sticking because those ground temperatures will likely be well above freezing. But if this snow sticks around for a while, those ground temperatures may be able to get cool enough to create some accumulating snow. And that is why you're seeing some of these latest model runs wanting to bring some of this snowfall surprisingly into northern New Jersey and eastern PA. Although again, because a lot of this snow falling in the beginning will not be sticking, don't get your hopes up too much. This is still an early winter snowstorm. Well, we're not even technically in winter yet. But I think there's a very good chance, even if snow doesn't accumulate in these lower elevations, you will see it falling. Our timeline with this rain and snow should look something like this. This is going into Thursday morning, Thursday evening and night, Friday morning, and then Friday through the afternoon. All right, now look at some of these snow totals we could be seeing across the Pacific Northwest and just the Northwest in general over about the next 48 hours. The HRRR, which is a pretty good short-range model, wants to drop in some places close to 5 feet of snow. Of course, this is in the higher elevations. We also are likely to continue to see these very strong wind gusts over about the next 12 hours. You may get a break then for 12 hours and then they might return. That is because as this first band of convection moves out, here comes another one. And last but not least, if you are in the south and southeast, check out some of these temperatures that are going to begin to move in as early as tomorrow morning and could stick around in some areas until about Sunday or even Monday. This is a lot of cold air for the East Coast. As always, I appreciate you watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow. I do upload videos like this daily and I do go live every night, usually around 8 or 9 p.m. like I will be tonight. You can also leave any questions or concerns down in the comments and I'll do my best to respond to everyone. I'll see you in the next video.